Root, stems, and leaves of a plant. Now that you're familiar with different parts of a plant, let's learn more about roots, stems, and leaves in this module. At the end of this module, you will be able to list out the parts of a plant and describe the functions of roots, stems, and leaves of a plant. Let's take a detailed look at the functions of roots, stems, and leaves. Let's begin with the roots. The roots of a plant usually grow under the ground. The root anchors the plant firmly in the soil. Some plants like bean, mustard, and hibiscus have one main root and several small roots that grow from the main root. This type of root is called taproot. Some plants like grass, wheat, rice, and onion have several tiny roots growing from the lower end of the stem. These tiny roots are called fibrous roots. Roots fix the plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Roots of some plants store the food prepared by the plant. We eat some of these roots as food. For example, radish, beetroot, and turnip. Now let's move above the ground to see what the roots support. Stem is the main supportive part of a plant above the ground. Stems can be large, thick, and hard, like in trees, or they can be green, soft, and weak, as in herbs, or they can be many, woody, and strong, as in shrubs. Stems carry water and nutrients from roots and food from leaves to other parts of a plant. Stems hold branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits in their right positions. Stems of some plants store the food prepared by the plant. We eat some of these stems as food. For example, sugarcane and potato. Now let's move on and find out the functions of leaves. Leaves grow on stems. They are called the food factories of a plant. Observe the picture of the leaf displayed here. This leaf has a flat part called leaf blade. The edge of the leaf blade is known as the leaf margin. These fine lines that you see on the entire leaf are called the veins. The main vein that runs through the center of the leaf is called the midrib. This is petiole. It is the stalk with which the leaf attaches itself to the stem. The knot you see on the stem is called node. Node is the point on the stem from which branches and leaves appear. Plants take in and give out air through pores or tiny holes, mostly on the underside of the leaf. These holes are called the stomata. Leaves differ in shape, size, color, and texture. Here are some leaves of different shapes and sizes. Have a look at them. Leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of air, water, sunlight, and a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives the green color to the leaves. The process by which the leaves prepare food is known as photosynthesis. Leaves release a gas called oxygen into the atmosphere, which is required by almost all living things for breathing. Leaves of some plants store food. We eat some of them as vegetables. Spinach, lettuce, and cabbage are some examples. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned. Roots help the plant stay fixed to the soil. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Stems carry water from roots and food from leaves to other parts of a plant. Stems hold branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits in their right positions. Leaves are the food factories of the plant. The leaves prepare food for the plant.